Today's Saturday. We're doing ribs. We're doing baby back ribs. We're doing baby back ribs on our gas grill. It's everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Alright, we got our seasoning for our ribs here. It's a basic seasoning. You've seen this before. We got onion powder, chili, cumin, black pepper, paprika, mustard, Lowry's, salt. You can stop right there and you'd have a nice rub, you know, for chicken, fish, whatever you like to use it for. Today, we're going in with a little brown sugar. So give that a good mix. Break up all the brown sugar. Make sure it's all incorporated well. Go ahead. We'll put all the ingredients down below for that rub. So we're just going to score the back of the ribs. We didn't bother to pull the membrane off today. We're just going to score the back of it. And then on with our rub. You want to kind of push it in. You want to rub it in. I don't know why they call it a rub. It should be a push in, right? I don't know. All right, we're going to do the same on the other side. Guys, this is really a low maintenance cook. You know, the hardest part is probably, you know, getting the grill set up. All right, so we got that all seasoned up, and we're going to head outside. All right, guys, this is our little pellet smoker. It just adds a little smoke flavor to a gas grill. You know, you could definitely do it without this. You know, you'd have ribs, you know, they won't be smoky, but they'll be cooked ribs on your grill. They'll taste good. All right, so you give that a nice light. We're gonna close this down and let our grill come up to temp because we've had that open. All right, our grill has come up to temp. 261, we're in 250, 260. We're gonna do that for about 2 hours. Now, for all you guys who have a grill, I only have the first burner going and it's on low. It's probably about 70, 75 degrees out. Now, in the winter time, you probably have that all the way up. But yeah, that's low all the way over to the right. And then in with our ribs. And then we're going to see you in 2 hours. A couple of games of Madden. Let's go. All right. Through the magic of time. We're at 254. It's been a couple of hours. And this is what we got. All right. So we're going to go in with some butter. You know, four tabs of butter. You know, because the baby backs, you know, they're pretty lean. So we just want to add a little fat. It's just my theory. You know, butter makes everything taste better. Right. So we're going to go bone side up on top of the butter. And then you can hit it with your favorite liquid. You can use applesauce. You can just use water. I'm using a little bit of Better Than Billion, you know, dissolved down on top of our ribs. And as you can see, I'm not the one that wraps Christmas presents. I'm horrible at wrapping. I probably should have used a little bit more paper here. But we'll just do the best we can. And now onto the grill. And I really just can't keep this thing closed. Try to button it up against the pellet smoker there. I got an idea and I said, you know what? Just wrap it with some aluminum foil. That'll keep it closed. All right, so now that goes on the grill for like about 1 hour. All right, time for another game of Madden. All right, 1 hour later. And this is what we got. We're almost done. Ooh, just slides right through, so we're good. All right, let's get this out of the paper. Yeah. Gotta be careful. Don't want that liquid all over the place. All right, so we're gonna go another half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. We're gonna put a little bark back on the ribs. It's about 45 minutes went by, and now we got a nice bark on the ribs. You know, they're not all soft and mushy. All right, now it's time to put a little barbecue sauce. Your favorite barbecue sauce. It's not important. And I usually do the back side first, and then flip it over and put it on the top side. Guys, please like and subscribe. We're in a home run stretch. We're there. Guys, this is looking good. Looking good. You can eat it right there. I usually like these dry, just like there. No barbecue sauce at all. But we're doing barbecue sauce today. Yeah, we're gonna serve these up with some crab legs. Hang around to the end to see that. All right, we're gonna let this go about 15 minutes. 15 minutes went by. All right, so we're gonna get this on our cutting board. Get ready for our presentation, make our thumbnails. All right, here we go. Time for the flyover. Caramelized barbecue sauce. Our baby back ribs. We did this on a Weber gas grill. These is delicious. Guys, I'm gonna pair these up with some crab legs, some cornbread. Yeah, we gonna get down tonight. Guys, here's our plate. It's looking good. Was good. Every day cooking, cooking every single day.